you've tried to include images in your Excel spreadsheet and find them moving around when you sort or filter those cells, then this video is for you. There are many reasons you might want to include pictures in your Excel spreadsheet. For instance, you might have a list of company names and you might want to include their logos along with the company names. Or you might have a list of salespersons in your organization and you might want to include their photos next to the salesperson names. Inserting the pictures themselves is the easy part. You expand the cell a bit, then on the Insert menu, click on Picture to include the picture. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to include an icon. You might then resize the icon to fit the cell. Let's do this for some dummy companies named Company A, Company B, and Company C. The problem actually arises when those cells move around for any reason. Let's say you resize those cells for some reason, or you add a filter so that you can see data for only some companies or some salespersons. You'll notice that the pictures are squished or that they disappear altogether. Let's see how to ensure that the pictures are locked to the cells they're inserted in. This is actually fairly simple. When you right-click the image, you'll see the option Size and Properties. Alternatively, you can right-click the picture and click on Format Graphic. Here also, you'll see a tab for Size and Properties. Under Properties, you'll see that the default action for pictures is to move them but not size them with the cells. Just change this option to Move and Size with Cells, and you're done. Let's do this for all the three images. Now, when you filter those cells, you'll notice that the images are locked to the cells within which they're inserted. Hope this video helped you. For more Excel tips, feel free to check out the other videos on this channel. As always, thank you for watching.